Greetings, yes, welcome to SMAI Farmacy. Make sure you check out this video of okra transplanting from the bed. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this beautiful channel of growing your own sustainable foods from seed to harvest. This is SMAI Farmacy, and these are the okra transplants. We're gonna get it started. They're really long, like this one was like long like that. Yep, so that's what we'll be doing here this rising. We had to wake up, do our garden tour, and I said I need to replant or transplant some okra into bigger pots. So these will become plants in our garden. If not in our garden, then we can sell it in our market. I'll place it on the website and see what's available. But right now we're going to transplant some beautiful okra. They're really big. They're throughout the garden. So we're going to do a good scene where it flash and show you what we're growing in the garden. Right, so count it, which is 15. We have this one here in this bed. And these were planted from seed directly into the bed. And then we had to cover this area eventually because the new seeds in here were getting damaged by the sun. It was a lot of sun hitting it. So now that they're doing a little bit better, we have this here, this okra here, one here, and one back here next to the cucumber. So this bed was getting really hot and we had to cover it. Now that I see that everything is emerging, yeah, so we don't really need to cover anymore right now. So yep, I have to even this leaf. I don't know what happened, so I may have to just plant one of the new okra transplants in this to replace this one, but I'm gonna see what it does. Some basil, and this was from seed to bed. So yeah, like I said, the sun was hitting down over here in this area. So, but right now we're about to do a transplant, and with okra, it is super good, super high in fiber, antioxidants, and okra is amazing. Even pregnant women should eat okra during their pregnancy. During my pregnancy, I ate, some okra. But look at the roots. These are beautiful roots. You want to be careful and delicate transplanting. You don't damage the roots. Look at that. That's beautiful. All right. We just have some worm castings, vermiculite, peat moss. You want to be gentle. Make sure they're getting in there. I'm going to put some more soil in it as well. Right now I just want to get it established in there. Give it some good vibration rhythm, which is your love energy. Tapping around. But to start your okra plant, you want to germinate the seeds maybe overnight. It helps speed up the germination process. And once that gets started overnight, you can go ahead and put it in your soil that you started already, that you put good energy into. Plant the seed in. Need lightly watered. It don't need that much water. And some sun energy. This is a transplant. So this took about maybe 2 weeks to get to this stage of the plant. Yep, so it already has beautiful petals on it. Nice soil. Yeah, I love okra. We have at least maybe 20 okra plants in the garden. So we're going to be in abundance. So if you would like to purchase this beautiful transplant and put into your beautiful garden or your raised bed, if you want to start out your garden, please visit us at the link below, which is our website. It is www.smaifarmacy, that's SMAIFARMACY.com. Peace and love to the plants. That's the purpose. To grow medicine. I'm going to put some more soil in there. But yep, this is just your quick process of transplanting. When you're ready to go, visit the site also for some gardening tips, some videos, and of course to shop for your own local garden materials. I'm gonna do another one while we're in this video. Be really gentle. This soil is really good. Look at that. Oh, they were getting stuck together, but look at that. The roots are not even shaking. Look at that. They like, yeah. So I'm gonna be really careful. You don't want to mess up the roots. You want to let it just become what it is. Ah, okra. Beautiful pods. Yeah, get your antioxidants in. You may cook them, you know, lightly. You don't have to overdo it. And if you like gumbo, put your okra in gumbo. That's something that's cooked all the way down. Other than that, you may eat it raw. They should be about this small. Once the pod grow on the okra itself, about this small, you know, or smaller, a little bit like that. That's about what, almost 2 inches, 3 inches. And then you pull it from the top. That's what you're gonna do. I'm gonna show you another video once you see how tall the okra gets. Make sure you're spreading your okra about 3 to 4 feet apart because they get really, really, really tall. Especially if they're in the ground. Oh, it can be about 6 feet. 6 feet off the ground. Other than that, you know, just give it love, nutrients. Plant it with love. Put your energy there. This is how you're gonna sustain your family. You can do some, what they call it, pickled okra. That's awesome too. Oh, that's gonna be delicious. Ooh, I'm excited. Get me hungry for some raw okra in the morning. All right, and we're gonna put some more soil in it just to top it off. Awesome sauce. Yep. This is already in there.